guys, and today I'm going to be building this marvelous thing. And if you don't know what it is, I'm just going to stand this up so there will not be any noise, like rattling everywhere. So this is what I've built so far out video. So out camera. So I done these last pair of stairs, so I'm gonna have 3 rooms in here. The first one is gonna be my kitchen plus living room, and the one even higher is gonna be like a workroom or whatever. I don't know what to put in the second room. My castle, but there's a third room which is gonna be definitely my bedroom. So middle room, I don't know what it's going to be, but it's not going to be bathroom. Because I know how much of you love bathrooms in Minecraft, but just doesn't seem that good enough for me. Because I'm a fox. I don't use that. Should I show you? Look, am I a human? I don't use the bathroom. I wash off in the pool. And I am a fox anyway, so I don't go to the toilet. Well, just about as the moon is setting, I'm gonna build even more. And then maybe Stampy can take a tour of my world. If I'm lucky enough to on Pocket Edition. It's gonna be amazing. I just cannot believe what'll happen. I've only made the seed for Stampy Cat so he can view my world, or DanTDM can join. So if you're DanTDM or Stampy, which I don't think you are, maybe I'm gonna send you the seed. Maybe not, I don't know. So that you can have a look at my world, because I know you won't break any blocks. It's Gracie, Stacy, even go with TV. I don't know. Okay. So yeah. So let's get building. So options. First view. Okay. Oops. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do 10 minutes. It didn't actually take me that long to build the bottom floor. So it might not take me this good, and it started raining in daylight. I just don't believe what could possibly be worse than rain. Annoying rain. Sorry, rain! But please stop! Please stop rain. I don't want to get wet, so I'm going to build this up. So fast, so you won't get bored just seeing me talk, but not building. And I don't know if I'm going to finish this in time, but I'm going to go and build as good as I can, because I don't want all of you getting bored. So yeah. Okay, I think I built really high now. I don't think I need to build even higher unless I want an attic. And my bedroom's going to be in the attic. And I am going to build an attic. And of course, castles need top floors, which I'm going to do as well. There's going to be a lot of leading to it, because I can't be bothered to do any more steps. Actually, I can do as much steps as you want me to. So how is it on the bottom? Alright, it's just like how I'm gonna do it. So we'll do that. Okay. There we go. Steps. And some marble steps. No, it isn't this. It is this. Wait. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna keep on building because I'm gonna absolutely shout. When I'm finished, I'm gonna shout if it's really good. You can vote if my house looks good or bad. Well, especially it's a castle. You can vote if it looks good or bad. Probably most of you are gonna go for bad, because I know everyone knows that I'm a new YouTuber around here. But yeah, I think this is good enough. Alright. So that's supposed to be there. Two. I'm just gonna do the windows scattered. I don't care if they're in a pattern or random, because I don't care where the windows are. Because not much people are gonna come upstairs. Only most people are gonna go and stay downstairs in the castle. That's too close. There we go. No, a bit more further away, I think. Yeah, that looks better. So these are so scattered. As I know you see that, I'm trying to work out how they look like. Move that up. Move that up. And then that gets moved up to the 2 in the there, and there we go. Oh, that looks a bit weird. So I'm going to start it over here. As you see, I'm trying to do the best as I can to make kind of like some kind of pattern. So the top floor. So alright, first we need this one higher. I just cannot believe how far we got through all this. I just cannot believe it. It's not going to look like a floating blob in the sky anymore after I build it on a hill, which you can't get up unless you use the steps. So, if this... I don't know what to actually do. Okay. Alright, now I know. It's so fast that I don't even know what to do. Right, there we go. If you're a famous YouTuber, please comment seeds, please. And then maybe I'm gonna do maybe gonna put a private video so like only YouTubers can watch it. So like whoever I give it to can only watch it. So that's supposed to be there. Supposed to be there. This does seem a bit dark. And they're going to show you on the floor how it looks like. And I did do these steps really nicely. So look. I better be ending it here, but whoop. I promise I'll carry on in the next video from where I left off. And bye. Okay, bye.